Hey guys, my name is Shashwat and I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I'll be talking about what is triple talaq and everything you must know about triple talaq. So, first of all, what is talaq? Talaq is an Islamic word for divorce, denoting the dissolution of marriage when a Muslim man can serve all marital ties with his wife. Under Muslim law, triple talaq means liberty from the relationship of marriage, eventually or immediately. Only when the man, by simple uttering of the word talaq 3 times in a row. This uttering of the word talaq 3 times ends the relationship of marriage there, and it is legal. It was actually a legal privilege for the Muslims to come out of a sturdy relationship or whatever it was. So the instant divorce is called triple talaq. In Muslim law, it is also called as talaq-e-ibadat. The Muslim Personal Law Application Act of 1937 had legalized and allowed the practice of triple talaq and gave every Muslim husband that special privilege over his wife. So, what is triple talaq law? Triple talaq, also known as the Muslim Women Bill 2019, was passed by the Indian Parliament as the law on July 30th, 2019 to make instant triple talaq a criminal offence in India only. The Rajya Sabha passed the bill with 99 votes in favor of the bill and 84 against it. The triple talaq law makes the instant triple talaq a criminal offence and provides a jail term of 3 years to the Muslim husband who commits that crime. The law also makes triple talaq a cognizable and non-bailable offence. Introduced in the Lok Sabha by Minister of Law and Justice Ravi Shankar Prasad on June 21, 2019, the bill replaced an ordinance promulgated on February 21, 2019. As the bill was pending for consideration in Rajya Sabha and the practice of triple talaq divorce system was continuing, there was an urgent need to take immediate actions to prevent such a practice by making very strict provisions of law without wasting any time. Triple talaq is void and illegal according to the clause 3 in chapter 2 of the bill. Any pronouncement of talaq by a person upon his wife by words either spoken or written or in electronic mail or electronic message in whatever manner whatsoever shall be void and illegal. That has been passed by the Indian government. So the punishment for triple talaq is mentioned under the clause 3, and also according to the clause 7 subclause C in chapter 3, no person accused of an offence punishable under triple talaq shall be released on bail after the magistrate on an application filed by accused and after hearing the married Muslim women upon whom talaq was pronounced is convinced that there are reasonable grounds for granting bail to the accused. Now, after that talaq, what happens to the children? In clause 6 in chapter 3 of the bill, it states that a married Muslim woman shall be entitled to the custody of the minor children in the event of pronouncement of talaq by her husband. When her now from 2019, if her husband has pronounced the triple talaq, he would be punished and the custody of the children will directly go to the wife. That actually took all the necessary things to do to keep up with the marriage. So there was a landmark case, the Shah Banos case, which actually made the triple talaq system, the triple talaq bill, possible to be released. So about this I'll tell you in my next video. Till now, stay tuned and please like, share and subscribe.